Roar. Halve and seed 2 habanero peppers. Roast 20 minutes at 400. If you have a toaster oven, this is the perfect time to use it. Juice 1 lime and peel 2 garlic cloves. Prepare to press garlic into lime juice. Think through what you're about to do next and realize it'll be a lot easier without a bunch of liquid splashing around. Peel peppers and dump them in your bowl. Attempt to use pestle and find it wholly inadequate.
With you, peasantry.
Add garlic, onion powder, cumin, and salt.
Mushy mush.
Mix with 1 cup sour cream. Add half the lime juice at a time to avoid spillage. Sample your work to see if anything needs adjusting.
I don't mind the taste.
Use foil you roasted the peppers on to cover the bowl and refrigerate until dinner time.
6 hours later.
Slice half pound of mushrooms. Stem and wash 2 pounds of spinach. Sauté mushrooms with seasoned salt and pepper to taste. Add garlic once the mushrooms are decently shrunk. Pile in as much spinach as you physically can. Place lid and sweat for 2 minutes. Cook it down a bit, then repeat with the rest of the spinach. Decide it needs a little more of everything. Add juice from 1 more lime if desired. Dump into a colander and squeeze out as much liquid as possible, because literally no one likes soggy eggs. Save the liquid for later. Quarter and slice 1 large onion. Dice a bunch of potatoes. You will need a load of either the butt or shit variety depending on the size of your crowd. Stem and chop 2 serrano and 2 red chili peppers. Keep or remove seeds depending on your spice preference. Break up your onion and sauté until slightly translucent. Add peppers and cook until the onion starts to caramelize. Add the spinach juice and scrape up all the scorchy goodness. Dump in your potatoes, coat thoroughly, and cover for 20 minutes. Chop 2 bell peppers and shred half a blob of mozzarella. Crack 8 eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Add cheese and spinach gradually to avoid spillage. Toss bell peppers into potatoes, recover, and turn off heat. Cook your eggs in the same pan you used for the spinach. You can probably use some more pepper. Decide your proportions are off and add 2 more eggs. Decide fuck it and just use the last one. There were only 11 eggs in the carton. What was the 12th egg used for?
I don't know.
Plate it, sauce it, eat it.
And late once again. Hi guys. Thanks for being patient with me. Yeah, there's been a lot going on. Like maybe you can tell I'm in a new place now. I've been getting a few acting jobs, which is nice. Dealing with just some, personal angst. But other than that, I'm not going away. I still love doing this, so you're not getting rid of me that easily. But back to the recipe. As always, you can switch up the flavors however you want to. Use, less garlic, more garlic. You can never have too much garlic. Adjust the spice levels to your preference. Use a different kind of cheese in the eggs. Use no cheese in the eggs. Leave out the lime and the spinach. And for, of course, crispy potatoes, you want to have them in a open pan or put them in the oven. Of course, that'll be a lot easier to accomplish with a smaller batch. So, yeah, I don't know how to make small batches. I've had to try to figure it out because I'm living on my own now. But, just gauge based on your audience, because you should know what kind of appetites your friends and family members have, and if you're only cooking for like 2 people, you're definitely gonna want to cut all of this in half. But just figure, you can tell more or less how much you're going to need. So you use a load of whatever variety you think you're gonna need. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking with me. Go try some of my recipes. If they're good, tell me how much you like them. If they suck, tell me how to fix them. Follow me on Facebook, Sabertooth Chef, Twitter and Instagram, Saber_tooth. You know how YouTube works. Please do all of the things. And I'll see you in the kitchen. But that's about all I have to say, so as always, thanks. But that's about all I have to say, so as always, thanks for watching. Go try some of my other recipes. If they're good, tell me how much you like them. If they suck, tell me how to fix them. While you're in the comments, go ahead and add axe. I hate when I do that. Put them in the oven, and that'll be a lot easier to cook. It's easier. Yay.